Good evening. What a fantastic day. Making us wait for 10 days. We finally get a breakout in Nifty, and Nifty moves up by 0.78%. But story of the day lies with Bank Nifty, 1.74%. You would clearly recall I was mentioning that my focus is on Bank Nifty for call side. Okay, got what we wanted. Both indices are strong, trading above 60 RSI, and in the daily charts and now in the hourly charts, Nifty started in a tentative mode but eventually gained momentum. And in the hourly chart, you can see it gained momentum finally in the 12:15 to 1:15 candle. But the hints, as I said yesterday also, had appeared at 9:45 a.m. when the time cycle was giving us the possibility of an upward move. Low of this candle is generally important. What was the low? 23574. It did dip a little bit but closed above. It was only here that you got a slight dip and then it never looked back. Look at this. Once it broke out, it went up and hit the level of 23,746 that was plotted here. This was our level for the intraday and it's already achieved it, making a high of 23,754.15, which is the new ATH. When is the next cycle time? Let me also share with you. 2:15 p.m. Wednesday tomorrow. उसके बाद कब है? 12:30 p.m. 28th Friday. So they are all plotted, so we will know much in advance. Okay. Having said this, what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty had a conviction much better than Nifty today morning, and after making a clear, solid green candle in the first 15 minutes, it just took off. My goodness, what a move. 1.78%, 74% in the case of Bank Nifty. What happened in the hourly chart? Beautiful. Leave out the first candle and then second candle onwards, crystal clear, consistent up move. uh, First candle was solid and second and third candle was consolidation. Third was crystal clear solid up move followed by a follow-up candle and then some more up move here. The intraday level marked was 52818, which is very close with a high of 52746, which is the high for today. However, in the daily chart, 52818, this is a level you may have seen in my trading plan yesterday. I did not talk about it because my focus was 52397, 52,400. You may have seen this level, but this level is very close, 818 on the daily basis. On for the Nifty, the breakout and then the sustaining the breakout and this very rewarding indeed. What is the RSI? Very positive, both indices. 1 hour, what about 30 minutes? Very positive. Now, what am I expecting tomorrow? Ideally, I would expect some correction. I don't know if we get it or not, but it will be very nice to get a correction because that will ensure that the up move is sustained. If we do not get a correction, then we need to live with it. Many of you are probably carrying the calls. It's okay, do not panic because after the correction or a gap down, it will not only fill up the gap, most likely, it will again start the up move. That's the gut feel. But mind you, keep in mind this is the last week of the month, so we have monthly expiries. Tomorrow is Wednesday, Bank Nifty expiry. Day after is Thursday, Nifty expiry. So keep this thing in mind. But remember, there is no negativity at all. Everything is positive. Glad we were not thinking about any puts. Despite the confusion, we were always thinking about the call side. Now, what is the action plan? Tomorrow, if we get a dip, and the dip is up to even up to 52,096, let's say 52,100, buy. I'm not sure it will come down this much, but if it come down somewhere around 52,400 to 52,450, buy. This is what I would do. You do what you want to do and what your financial advisors tell you, because this is only a video which is meant for educational purpose. So, tra- as per my trade plan, I would be buying Bank Nifty as and when it reaches these levels. Nifty is also a buy for me, and the levels that I can consider are 23,600s and 23, yeah, between 600 and 18, let's say 600 to 23,700. It may correct more than that, actually. It may correct to 23,650 or so. But irrespective, this is a buy. It's a buy on dip placement. This consolidation of 317 points is indicating that Nifty is very likely headed for 24,000 sooner or later. 24,038 is the level, 24,985 or so, 984.95 or so is the another level. But in between, there are levels like 23914, 23852 and 23791. ये आपको यहाँ पे दिख गई होंगी. 23777 was the level and it reached 23754. 24,005. This is another level on the daily chart. My gut feel is we are headed towards 24,000 and may also surpass 24,000 by 50 to 100 points. Let's see. Let's see. So things are positive. It's a buy on dip. Do not think of put or negativity at all. If you find a downward move, sit tight. And whenever you find a base formation, that is where you go large. That's as simple as that. Amazing, amazing. What a feeling. I'm sure I've not been asking the in the poll in the last couple of days on what is your view, but I'll probably be asking it again tomorrow onwards. But all is well. Stay positive, stay long, and wish you a very happy and profitable day tomorrow and the other days of the week. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.